Hi, my name is Issana. I'm from Tunisia and working in UAE since 12 years as a physiotherapist. I came to Barcelona to attend the course for osteopathy, which is a different technique for me, different approach. Osteopathy, it's a huge medicine, which is totally different than physiotherapy. It's not working in one part of problem, it's like for whole body healing, and that's what really I like. My future, my project is just to continue on that. I just came for diploma and I want to continue for master. So I'm happy to be here and to meet different nationality, different culture. It's a really amazing experience. And they're coming from different schools like CO2, like massage therapist, neurologist, doctor, veterinarian is with us. So, and all we are learning osteopathy together. So it's like you are getting idea from the other also. This is my first step to continue my wish. Really, because it's something inside me. I want to do it since when I'm young, since when I'm 21 years. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope to continue on that.